I'm Sandrina Bencomo. I'm the founder of Organic Love, a nutrition health coach and a model. And today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day, all nutrition based from beautiful Malibu. My favorite meal of the day is breakfast. It is so important to start your day right with plenty of hydration, leafy greens, vegetables, fiber, protein, and fruits. That's what I like to do with a smoothie. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite smoothie recipes. Come check it out. Here we have some kiwis with the skin, some freshly grounded flaxseed, kale, broccoli, cucumber, ginger, turmeric, bananas, and water. I like to make a couple batches of this one day a week, so that way I have breakfast ready to go every day of the week.